In a previous video, we came to the Offensive Security website and we downloaded the Kali Linux VBox 64-bit OVA file. What an OVA file is essentially it's a VirtualBox application format, which bundles together not only the installation, but some basic settings for Kali, so you can get started even faster. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to File, Import Appliance. I'm going to browse to where I found that OVA file, which I put in my downloads. And I've got this AMD 64 OVA. I'm going to hit next, and you'll see that it pretty much set up everything for us rather than us having to go through all of the settings ourselves. So we're just going to hit import, and this could take a minute. It says 3 minutes. I would bet probably a little less, but let's go ahead and pause. Oh, as it jumps up, let's go ahead and pause, and we'll come back when we get ready for the next. And with that, it finished the installation. You'll notice that I have the Kali Linux operating system already installed. Here's the one we installed in the other video. Here's the one that we installed just now. If I hit start, it's going to go ahead and boot it up. You'll notice that it did give it fewer resources than I did in the previous video. It only gave it 2 gigs of RAM and 2 processors. You can definitely go into settings when this is not running and change those to give it as much as you would like. But here's the bootloader, so we'll just go ahead and choose to boot into Kali. Now, because we didn't set it up ourselves, it's going to ask us for a password. You may wonder, what is that password? Well, if you check back on the Offensive Security website, you'll notice that here in the red, the images have a default password of Tor, T-O-O-R. So when we get to the boot prompt, we'll want to make sure we put in the username of root, and then root backwards of T-O-O-R. We'll hit sign in, and we are ready to go using our Kali Linux installation.